you all about crabs. Crabs are a shellfish. Shellfish are fish with shells. Amazing, right? Here I'll learn all about crabs. Crabs are amazing creatures, and they always are great. How to know if it is a guy or a girl? You want to pay attention to the penis area. The penis area, which is right here, indicates if it's a guy or a girl. If the penis area is thick with a small little penis on it like this one, then it's a woman. When it looks like a key and is very, very long, it's obviously a male. This also indicates that it's a penis to vagina. Penis to vagina. This obviously is a male, which has a long penis that is right here. The females have a vagina, which are very fat. So, obviously, you have to learn all about these crabs. And crabs are always the lazy crabs are the females because they're growing up babies and they're born to rest their big vagina. And if you want to eat these crabs, make sure to take the penis out to eat them, or else you might get a lot of pee and poopy on your back. When they're dead, they will not move at all. Thank you.